Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. Today we learn about pet animal, farm animal, wild animal and water animal. Let's start today's session. Today first we learn pet animal. Pet animal are friendly animal that need love and affection from humans. They are best friend of human beings. You know kids, pet animal are very best friend of human beings like rabbit, cat, birds and dog. Can you find where is the dog in this picture?
Dog.
Okay, where is the cat?
Cat.
Where is the rabbit?
Rabbit.
Okay, these are pet animal.
Pet animal.
Okay. Now move on to a farm animal. Farm animal are domesticated animal raised on farms for various purposes such as food production, labor or other product. We saw some example for farm animal just like cow, horse, sheep and hen. Cow gives a milk, sheep gives a wool, hen gives a egg and horse used for a riding. Okay, let's move on to a wild animal. Do you know wild animal?
Yeah.
No?
No.
Okay, I explain wild animal. Wild animal are animals which are not domesticated, that live on their own without any help from people. A wild animal finds its own shelter, food, water and all other things like lion, zebra, elephant and monkey. These all are wild animal. These all are wild